Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ovietobore Elvis Eyekpegha. In this video, we are going to take a look at an overview of Koha copy cataloging. Alright, for the purpose of this overview on Koha, we'll be using Koha version 18.05 installed on Linux Ubuntu Mate, that's Linux version 16.04 server at Edwin Clark University Library, Kiagbodo, Delta State, Nigeria. Okay, now Koha is a browser-based software, and as such, it can be accessed using any browser installed on your client or PC. Okay, now I may want to process a book using a copycat login. You can look at the address bar here. This is the online public access catalog, the OPAC. So we add the port 8080 so that we can gain access to the back end of the local server. All right, now I may want to enter my username, then my password. Don't save. Okay, now this is the Koha staff interface, and here we have the cataloging module. So you click on it. All right, now these two buttons here, one represent original cataloging, which if you click here, you have to be entering the bibliographic details yourself manually, which is it takes a chunk load of time. So we use the Z39.50 to import the bibliographic records of these books from large databases like the Library of Congress, Ohio Link, Columbia University, and Oxford University. Okay, so to perform copy cataloging, you click on this Z39.50 search protocol. All right, now this is the Z39.50 search dialog box. So at the left hand side, you see the search points, which contains the ISBN, title, author, while at the right hand side, you see the search targets, which includes the bibliographic databases from which we are importing bibliographic records from these large databases to our local server. So here you can enter the ISBN of the book, or you enter the title, author, or subject heading. Okay, so for the purpose of this lecture, we'll be using the title and the author. I have a book here titled Pioneers of the Black Atlantic. So you type it on the title, Pioneers of the Black Atlantic. You have to be careful so that you don't make mistakes in your spellings. All right, now the author of the book is Henry Louis Gates and William L. Andrews. So you enter the first author, Gates, Henry Louis. Okay, now you see Library of Congress is already checked as default. Then you also add Ohio Link if you like. Anyone here can suffice. So let me add two more. Okay, now the database, these databases now, the four of them that I checked: Oxford University UK, Library of Congress, Ohio Link, and University of Pennsylvania, will be searching for records relating to the author and the title of this book. Now you click on search. You may want to know that what is happening here is that the local server is connected to the internet, while this particular PC is also connected to the internet. Like Z39.50 does not work without internet connectivity. So both server and any PC using Koha ILMS that must engage in copy cataloging must have internet connectivity. So you can see it is searching the databases via the Z39.50 protocol. If your internet is slow, like we always notice in this part of Africa, you find out that it will be difficult. It will take a while before popping out results. All right, now we have the book Ohio link, but we have to confirm if it's the book that we are looking for. The book I'm looking for here, you can see Ohio Link have one record for it. Library of Congress has one, and Oxford University. The book was published in 1998, which you are already seeing there. Okay, and it has a total number of let me confirm the pages. It's necessary for this video. Okay, 439. So you have to confirm. Let's check Library of Congress to confirm. You click on card preview to confirm if the book is what we are looking for. Okay, 439 pages, and the preliminary pages of 14. Okay, yeah, that is it, XIV, and the book is 23 cm. So this is the book. Having confirmed that it is the book, you just click on action and import. So it is now importing the bibliographic records of this book from Library of Congress database, and you scroll down, you see the class mark of the book and the item number of the book. So this is the major information we are looking at since okay. Now you scroll to also confirm other details. Since the book is an edited book, it's supposed to have if it wasn't an edited book, the author's name will appear here, but since it is an edited book, it will appear on tag 7. You can see the editor of the book and the co-editor, you see. So this is where you enter the added entry for edited books. All right, now you come back here, tag 2, you can see the title of the book and the statement of responsibility. The remainder of title is also there. Then the imprint, that is the publisher information, the place and year of publication. So you see tag 9, the Library of Congress classification scheme is what we are using. Then it's of course a book, because we have e-resources. So you click here. If it's a computer file, you put it. If it's a continuing resource, if it's a musical file or maps, you also put it there. But for now, what we have is a book. So you click, you are supposed to click on save, but we must enter the accession number for the book. So the accession number for this book is 13096. It depends on your library policy. It depends on the e-librarian also. You may decide to put your accession number anywhere. Okay, so we decided to use a 003 tag, and it's a compulsory field. So you click save. When you click on save, it will take you to the add item page. Now this add item page is a summary of some of the records that the user may want to see. Okay, the book is a history book, so it is a non-fiction. Then the shelving location, of course, is in the permanent location is in the mail library, and the shelving location is in the general stacks. Okay, that means we'll shelve that book in shelf E, since it's it's in class E. So you can see that the data acquired is automatic. Once you click on the field, it will appear. So the barcode, we enter our own in-house barcode. The importance of this is that Koha itself has a barcode generating system, but it might be difficult for us to configure to organize the barcode in our own to suit our own system. So we choose to generate our own barcodes. All right, now we are done. You say add item. Now when you add item, it will take you to the same add item page. Then you click on normal, see the information we enter, the barcode. Okay, now these are the bibliographic information about the book, and of course this is the book cover, to be very sure that that is the book you are processing. So you can see the other items here, the current location, the home library, the collection code if it's a fiction or non-fiction, and the core number, which is very important. This is what the user will copy to take to the shelf to search for the particular item. That's this item. Now this is the barcode, and the date it was processed is right here, and this is also the copy number. That will be all for now on copy cataloging. I hope you had a good time. You know, copy cataloging is a very important task in this part of Africa, especially when the Library of Congress is no longer publishing the Library of Congress classification scheme, the schedules, and the subject headings. Okay, now that will be all for this lesson. In our subsequent lessons, we will be learning how to perform original cataloging using Koha integrated library management system. Once again, my name is Ovietobore Elvis Eyekpegha. If you have any question, do well to email me on Ovietobore, that's o.eyekpegha at edwinclarkuniversity.edu.ng. So this is my email address. If you have any question on Koha ILMS, please feel free to inform me about it. Thank you very much for listening, and do have a great time.